So the question is, how do we determine direction when we analyze vectors? Well, we have to use something called right-angle trigonometry, which was invented by a Native American mathematician by the name of SOHCAHTOA. When SOHCAHTOA, back in the colonial period, was exposed to the white man's mathematics, he had an epiphany. He had that aha that nobody else had seen. And it came to him during the analysis of a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, a 30, 60, 90 triangle. That means 30 degrees here, 60 degrees here, and 90 degrees right there. And he said that one of the unique characteristics of a 30, 60, 90 triangle is that the side opposite the 30-degree angle, this side right here, the opposite side, is always 1/2 the length of the hypotenuse right here. No matter how big or how small that triangle is, if it's a 30, 60, 90, then this side, the opposite side to 30 degrees, is always going to be 1/2 the length of the hypotenuse. So, in other words, given the 30-degree angles, fill in the blanks here, in other words, given the 30-degree angle, the ratio of the opposite side over the hypotenuse will always be 1/2 or 0.5. I'll say it again. In other words, given the 30-degree angle, the ratio of the opposite side over the hypotenuse will always be 1/2 or 0.5. In right-angle geometry, trigonometry rather, in right-angle trigonometry, this ratio is called the sine of the angle. Abbreviated SIN. Thus, we can state that the sine of 30 degrees equals 0.5. Now, at this point, this is where we're going to make sure that everybody's calculators are in sync. So I want you to grab your calculator, and you're going to do this one of two ways. One way is to hit SIN 30 equals, and you should get 0.5. Other ways that calculators are set up is you have to hit 30 first, then hit sine, and it will automatically spit out 0.5. Now, if you have a TI, oh my God, a graphing calculator, what you might be getting is something like 0.9 something. That means that you're in the wrong mode. So what you need to do is grab your calculator and hit mode, go to mode, and you will see on the display in your graphing calculator, usually about the third line down, you'll see you have a choice between radian and degree. Look for that. You're probably in radian mode right now. So what you need to do is shift over to degree mode, hit enter, and you should be all set. And with that kind of a calculator, the way it should work is you'll hit sine, 30, enter, and you should get 0.5. All right? So we'll pause here and let you play with your calculators for a little bit.